is exclusive Rockies programming only on FSN Rocky Mountain. The Jazz threw Danny Granger and the Pacers up against the ropes last night, but Granger bounced back and threw a knockout. And Granger had a shoot. And a foul. Please felt like rain, and Granger enjoyed a clear night. But it's time to bounce back against the Wizards, a team Boozer the boys ran out of Salt Lake just 2 weeks ago. Boozer handled it. 9 games remain in the Wild Wild West, and it's time to play Jazz basketball.
You look crazy-eyed.
Big welcome to the Verizon Center. The Jazz close out their 3-game road trip tonight against the Washington Wizards. The Jazz took a hard fall at Indiana last night, but still on the 4th seed in the West. But with 9 games to play, lost ground on Denver and Dallas. Frank Voracek, Ron Bill, so glad you're with us. The Jazz
Maybe turn on that light.
3-game road trip tonight in our nation's capital, and Ron, after last night.
There we go.
This is a perfect game for them to bounce back on here too as well, because